try something I saw on the internet, if it's possible. Popcorn directly onto some tin foil, layered with some more tin foil on top, and you fold in the sides. I think you fold in all the sides like this around the edge. And then, according to the internet, you basically pierce the middle bit here, and then place it on a frying pan on medium heat, and it pops up and be popcorn. It's worth a try. The pan's certainly getting hot. I see smoke coming out the far side of it there. A good sign, maybe. No sign of any movement on the other side of it. That's what happens. On the frying pan on a medium heat, and presumably the heat comes up and cooks the popcorn. I've tried all other ways. I've done it in a pan. I always ended up with burnt bits of popcorn, so let's see if this makes a difference. Well, it kind of works. Not every one's popped, but sort of buttery.